Within the first 6 months of 2026, we will show some really exciting news.
The next coming decade is going to be really fun.
I'm a racer, so I still want to get a feel of racing. My expectations when I drive a road car, well, it's mainly to be comfortable. I'm a racer, so I still want to get a feel of, racing. I want precision. I want a good-looking car. Must say, personally, I'm a big fan of the A390. I've always loved the design. It's very smooth, it's very aggressive. It's actually very enjoyable driving it. I had the luxury to have Zinedine Zidane as a co-pilot, so definitely made the experience even more special. I must say the A390, being full electric, you would expect the car to feel quite heavy. The DNA of the Alpine is to actually always produce very light cars, and I think they greatly achieved that. I've already made my order for the A390, so you'll see me driving it. I wouldn't mind having my own rally experience. I love ice driving. Rally in general is a very different task compared to what I'm used to, and I think will be a great challenge. So yeah, definitely in the future I wouldn't mind trying a bit of rally.
One of the first projects developed by Hypertech Alpine is the A290 Rally. The purpose of this car, I would say, is threefold. First is to develop a true high-performance sports car. Second is to offer to our customer performing, accessible, affordable, true race rally car. And the third is to demonstrate to everyone that competing in a rally with an electric car is really possible, as it is also very fun. I would say that there is a kind of a real legacy between this A290 Rally and the Renault 5 Alpine Group 2 in the year 70s, because both are two-wheel drive, both are very agile, and both are impressively performing and surprise many people. I had the opportunity to drive the car. This is really funny to see when you drive these cars on the track. You are so fast, it's so easy. This feeling is just magic. This car made its debut early November 2025 in the Inde Rally, part of the French Rally Championship. We have very, very good feedback from all the drivers. Believe me, the next coming decade is going to be really fun.
So 2025 was the 70th anniversary of Alpine. There will be a lot more to come in 2026. We will present the new strategic plan of Alpine based on 3 pillars. Pillars where we'll have the everyday extraordinary car like A290, A390. The pillar of iconic car with the new A110, and we will reveal some details in 2026. And the third pillar, which is made by the special project and the very exclusive project. And the first car of this third pillar is the A110 R Ultime. For me, in my head, Berlinette was one of the historical benchmarks about fun to drive. The main challenge we have to overcome when we developed this car was how to build an exceptional car in terms of performance, design and quality with a reduced time and reduced development cost. First important thing is the weight to power ratio. We say we need to do something exceptional. Necessity was to do final fireworks to celebrate A110. I think that Jean Delay would have been very proud of it because the car is really performant. You see the evolution, you see the performance that is the design, which is modern, the bigger wheels. But you see also the DNA. You see that the spirit of the car is still there. And this is what we want to do also with the next generation. Evolve, but keeping the original DNA and spirit. The result is just fantastic. I can just tell you that within the first 6 months of 2026, we will show some really exciting news.